So, what's up, dudes? Got some drifting on the TV, drift car in the garage, drift tires in the corner, and I gotta get those. I'm gonna turn that TV down a second there. Hold up. Okay, so what's going on is we're going drifting. Not today, not tomorrow, but soon. But I can't put all these tires in the RX-7 because there's no room. I can figure I can get maybe 3 tires in there, 4 if I really push it. I'm gonna try for 4. But those other wheels I need to bring, and I need wheels to get home, so I'm gonna bring those to Nick's, I think. I'm gonna try to stuff all that in the 8.6 and see what happens. I got a big old car. I'm in the car with 6. I got 6 tires in here with me. It's not comfortable. I hope we get to where we're going soon. Got a lot of room here. Bummer. Nick's not here. But
other lawsuits forced my hand. I had to.
At least I found a spot to lock up the wheels and stuff. They're all, his truck and trailer are here, so everything's locked up all nice and safe. Then now I'm gonna, I guess, go home, start playing with the other tires. But I forgot to shut the door. Alright, so the wheels are brought. I'm back home now. It's already getting kind of late. Losing all sunlight. I gotta get just 2 more wheels ready for Saturday, but they're attached to something right now. That's out of the question. Maybe we'll get those off tomorrow because there's a lot of other things that are gonna come off of this, and I don't know if I've explained it to you guys right properly yet, but I will. See you in the morning. Oh hey, didn't see you there. What the? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's the day after. As you can tell, you done? Hanging out with the pups? Yeah, working on this piece of crap. So if you guys are all in the dark about this, I tried to explain it the last few videos, but if you haven't been watching, here's the deal. Basically, I put a shitload of money, time into this car. We got seats in there. Nick helped me out. Thank you, Nick. We got these seats in there and stuff, made it look a little presentable. We put the 5-lug in the back. Now, I had to battle for parts for this thing and I still didn't get all the parts. So, I mean, like, you gotta, I don't know. I mean, I understand business and I understand people have hard times and stuff like that, but, whatever. Right now, what's going on? I gotta rip the engine out of this thing because I don't want this car anymore. It's in the way, it's a distraction. I was convinced to get it by people that are into drifting and stuff. Now get a 240, it'll be fun, it'll be like cheaper and this and that and this and that. And you know what? I started listening to other people. I didn't listen to what's in here. I didn't listen to my heart, which is the important part. I listened to the people who said, yeah, don't drift your RX-7. It's a waste of time, a waste of money and stuff like that. But that's what I really want to do is drift my RX-7. I never even liked 240s. I bought this because people convinced me to buy a 240. V8 and all that shit, whatever. So yeah, basically, I'm ripping the guts out of it, taking out the engine, taking out the handbrake, taking out anything that I might need, might use, and it's going in this baby where it belongs, where it should have been, where it started out. Its journey was supposed to go into this. Now, don't be afraid. That's going to be capable of drifting. It's not going to be like a competition car. I just like drifting, and I want to make sure all my cars can drift. So let's get this motor out. I'm going to get a bit of background noise because I'm watching Mr. Aaron Parker's YouTube channel. Go check him out. He's the guy from Hyperdrive Netflix with the FD. Oh, whoops. The Wolf. I'm a fan. He's my hero. I'm gonna get some chains in here. That sucks that you guys can't see what I'm doing. Really. But I'll be the same in the end. Cute. Motor's out, it's all good. Now I just want to take these wheels off the back. There's a few other parts I want to get off this car, but I'm probably not going to do it right today. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning and then throw this thing out back or something. I'm not sure yet, but it is Friday. Kind of feel like chilling with some homies, so I might bring those wheels to Nick's. You know what? I'm going to bring those too. Finally get to test out that bash bar we made for the first time. Not the greatest angle, but alright, let's go through the storage here. I haven't given you guys a tour yet, but maybe one day soon. Look at all that garbage. Anyways, go out back. Got this little blah 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 set up. These are winter tires. I don't like drifting on winter tires, so we'll just use these to store the car, right? Right. Whew. Those are ugly. These are ugly too, but at least these are on summer tires. I can cook those off. We're gonna have to be quick about it because a bunch of them leak. And look at this. Boing, boing. A bunch of them leak and they're not gonna last long. So 2 of them I'm bringing up to Nick's now. The other 2 are gonna stay here because I'm gonna film like 60 pounds of pressure before I leave in the morning. Get there, throw them on the car, and cook them off right away. It's all good. Everything's locked down, but let's go kick it with Nick. It's kind of cool. His shop is like actually really close, so I can get there in like 15 minutes, something like that. And his house is even closer. I don't know how long he's been living there, but should have been hanging out way before all this. Let's roll.